Hello everyone. I hope you are doing good and enjoying our recipes, and if you love to watch them, please do like, share, subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get the notifications of our new recipes. Today in this video we are going to see the recipe of Upvas Kachori, which is made with potatoes and stuffed with coconut mixture. So without any further delay, let's get started. In a bowl, take 4 large boiled potatoes and mash them. To this, add 1 cup of semi-rice flour, which also means varai. To this, add some salt to taste and half teaspoon of cumin powder. Everything well and form a dough. Now in another bowl, add 1 cup of grated coconut, half cup of chopped coriander, 2 tablespoons of green chilies, 2 tablespoons of chopped cashews, 10 to 15 raisins, some salt to taste and half teaspoon of powdered sugar. Mix everything well. Take a spoonful of potato mixture, flatten it and stuff coconut mixture into it. With dry semi-rice flour. Fry this kachori in peanut oil or coconut oil till it becomes golden brown in color. Serve this in a plate with homemade curd or yogurt. Do try this and let me know in the comment section how was it.